Welcome to Magic Indicator Strategies. We are dedicated to providing you with the highest quality content possible, and today's video is no exception. Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence can help you become a better trader? Our team has worked tirelessly to make this complex topic easy to understand, so be sure to watch until the end. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more expert insights and valuable strategies. On this day we are going to see a strategy with AI, extremely easy, with which you can obtain very fast and profitable results. I am sure that when you see how this strategy works you will realize that the AI gives us an incredible advantage against other traders. With no more time to waste, let's explain the strategy. First we are going to add our main indicator based on artificial intelligence, called Machine Learning Lorentzian Classification, created by H.D. Horty. By adding it we realize that the moving average changes color many times, but artificial intelligence filters bad trades, and gives us more accurate trades. But still we should not use this indicator alone, because it can give false signals. For this we are going to add other indicators that will help us to have more secure entries. So, we are going to add to our chart the 200 EMA is the one that comes by default in TradingView. Now we first modify its length, we put 200 instead of 9. And also its style, to make it looks better and lighter, it will be white in color and a bit thicker. So the logic of this trading system is as follows: when the price is above the 200 EMA, we are only going to take long trades. If the price is below the 200 EMA, we are only going to take short trades. And finally we are going to add one last indicator that will help us to filter, and we will obtain perfect trades. And it is the trend alert. We leave it by default. Okay, so let's find the examples so that you can understand these examples perfectly and start earning a lot of money. We are going to test this strategy on crypto, Forex, stocks, futures, indices, and other markets. Okay, we are in the Euro-Dollar chart with a 5-minute time frame. And to take short trade we have to meet the following conditions. First, as we have mentioned before, the price must be below the 200 EMA. Second, the signal of artificial intelligence must appear to us. And third, we confirm the short trade with the trend alert that confirms the bearish signal. Once these conditions are met we proceed to take a short trade. We set our stop loss at the moving average of the artificial intelligence indicator and our take profit, with a risk-reward ratio of 1:2. We see that it was a winning trade very quickly. Now we are in Tesla in a 15-minute time frame, and we are going to see how to take long trades. First we have to see that the price is above the 200 EMA. Second, artificial intelligence should show us a bullish signal. Third, we have to confirm the bullish trend with the trend alert. Once we have these conditions confirmed, we will set our stop loss at the AI moving average and our take profit will be a 1:2 risk-reward ratio. Okay, we see that our take profit was achieved successfully and very quickly. Now we are in Bitcoin in a 1-hour time frame, and we see that the conditions for taking a long trade are being met. Once we have these conditions confirmed, we set our stop loss at the moving average of the AI and our take profit will be a risk-reward ratio of 1:2. Okay, we see that we have reached the take profit with ease. Now let's look at other examples. We are now at SP 500 E-mini futures in a 4-hour time frame, and we see that the conditions for taking a long trade have been met. Once we have these conditions confirmed, We will set our stop loss at the moving average of the AI, and our take profit will be a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2. Okay, our risk-reward ratio is 2 because we are in favor of the trend, and as we can see, this strategy gives us precise entry points to take trades. Now let's look at some bearish examples. Now we are looking at the charts on the US 100 on a daily time frame, and we see that the conditions to take a short trade have been met. Once we have these conditions confirmed, we set our stop loss at the moving average of the AI, and our take profit will be a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2. Okay, we see that our strategy always gives us very accurate entries. And as in the previous trades, this was also a winning trade, and if you are liking this content from our channel, do not hesitate to subscribe and like this video to receive more content from great value. Now we are looking at the charts of the SP 500 index in a 1-minute time frame, and we see that all the conditions have been met to take a short trade. Once we have these conditions confirmed, we set our stop loss at the moving average of the AI, and our take profit will be a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2. We see that it was a very fast and precise winning trade. A few Japanese candles later, we have another signal with the same conditions fulfilled, so we open another short trade again. As we can see, this strategy is very fast too. As we have seen, these two trades were winners, which demonstrates the reliability of this strategy. Obviously, there is no strategy that always gives you winning trades, but this strategy is very good, and I assure you that you will have a very good win rate with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of AI trading strategies. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspired you to explore the potential of AI in your own trading endeavors. Remember, the world of trading is constantly evolving, and keeping up with the latest developments is crucial for success. So stay curious, keep learning, and always be open to new ideas and strategies. And who knows? Maybe one day you'll be the one testing out the latest AI trading algorithms and making waves in the world of finance. Until then, happy trading!